Good morning! Happy Saturday, guys! We are out and about. So, yung plano sana today is just stay at home. Pero si Jacob nga gusto nang lumabas. For the whole week, naka-standby lang siya sa bahay dahil nga he's not feeling well. And now, so far, he's feeling good na. And he's really bored, guys. So, kailangan na natin siyang igawas. So, kailangan natin siyang ilabas. At punta kami somewhere in Kerrisdale. May i-check out lang tayo na claw machine doon. For sure, Jacob will have fun. So, let's go! Guys, we're here! Doon kami nag-park. Unsa ni? Dako lagi nilang Starbucks diri, no? Ikaw, do you know where we're going?
No.
Hindi pa niya alam, guys. Malapit na tayo. Uy! Ano? Paspas mo kayo. Mulakaw si Jeep. Uy! Daming tao. Dagang kig tao. Here! Ka-cute! Oh. Horse ride. Cute.
$50, you're gonna spin that one.
Unsa nga $50?
No, I bought $50 to spin this. You can spin it. Jacob, spin it. Spin it. Spin it.
Spin na ga. Try. Yeah. Go. Keychain. Keychain. Oh, you can choose. Choose lang ga.
Thank you.
Kiro-kiropi mani. Hey! Tingnan niya. So cute. Tada! Milk. Jacob, look. Here. I got pink. Okay, which one you wanna try? This one?
So, this open.
You aim for that one, Jacob. Ay, that one there. Okay, go. Go. Ayan na. Lala. Oh no! Oh no! That's okay. Cabbage. Cute, Jake. Hala! La Jacob, look! This is so cute. 4. Here you go. Thank you. Don't press this one yet. Yeah. Not pink, maybe yellow. Maybe the yellow. That one. Go. Yeah, press. Hello! Oh, yay! Yay! Thank you, Jay. Go.
You did it! Alright. Here you go.
Yay! Thank you.
Flower.
Yellow flower. Thank you, Jake. Cute, anyway. Bugat man siguro na. Amin ang kon na, diba? Kani siguro. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I hope you can get that. Any color, but the green one is nice.
Oh, 5 minutes.
Oh, how much? Oh, you need one more, yeah. Yee! That one. Yay! Ay! Thank you. Nahagbong naman doy. Yay! Thank you.
You get another one.
Yeah, it might start. Okay, wait.
Because if it falls down, it falls down.
Woo! Hopefully, yeah! That's okay. Mga yun na, lisod man ko. On Jacob, you try this one. That one. Oh.
Take one or two. Which one?
One. That one. Wait, is it sweet also? Mike, should I get one?
Yay! Oh, no! One more. I think one more you will get that one.
Feels like
They will try one more.
Alright, one rush, make one rush.
That one. That one. Ah! Oh! Yes! Yes, yes!
Dad, you did it!
Meron kayo, like this one, gusto ginagawa mo na TV.
Another one! Kani jud bumurog jud ko. Grabe shopping natin dito, guys.
This one here is very Jacob.
capybara.
You want capybara?
I don't know, you can choose.
Which one? This one?
You want do you want?
Yeah, that's so cute.
Oh, I know.
Okay. Ah,
Don't rush me.
slowly. Hello. Here on the side. Oh. Ooh.
How did you let go?
That's okay. We're going to Richmond Center to Jacob. Jake.
Hi.
Ask na how much is the one nila? The donut. We're fundraising.
Oh, naman sa tilingon na fundraising.
You guys want perspective? You guys want perspective? No?
That's mommy's stuffies, right, Jake?
Yeah.
That's all mine. Jacob, how was your experience there?
Yeah, it was good there actually.
Only problem.
The only problem is yung ibang ano nila, claw nila is masyadong
Hindi stable.
Yeah.
Papunta na kami ng Richmond Center, guys. Galing lang kami dun sa Surprise. Surprise, adi ang pangalan, no? 413. And, ano?
Grabe yung mga tao, no? Nagkandaloko sa ano, Taylor Swift concert. Nung nag-drive kami patungo dito, guys, mga tao sa gilid namin, mga ano sila, same attire.
Kay Taylor Swift.
Kay
Yeah,
Taylor Swift.
3 araw pala yung concert ba? Kahapon, ngayon, tsaka bukas.
And then kahapon, guys, doon sa work namin, sa bay namin, makita namin sa harap yung ano eroplano ni Taylor
Yung
Swift.
private
Yeah. And then yung pangalan kasi ng ano nila, bay is Million Air. They only cater private mga airplanes. Kahapon, grabe, may nakalagay na mga spotlight, mga purple, ang dami. To welcome Taylor Swift.
Yan, no? Yung mga generations ngayon na sobrang fan ni Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Talagang pinaghandaan nila yung mga damit nila. Grabe, parang yung sa disco ball, yung ganon. Grabe ka shining. Tapos ang lamig ngayon, guys, pero naka-dress. Tapos naglakad lang kasi gusto lang nilang Skytrain kasi for sure wala silang mahahanap na parking lot dun.
And that's what you said, may iba galing pa ng
Calgary, yeah.
Wow.
May narinig ako na yung iba talaga ni pumunta lang dito dahil kay Taylor Swift. Wow. Palit mo daan og pan? Asa to? Try. This one is good. Green onion sausage. Just one? Just one? What is that?
The one I take.
Green onion man. Grabe naman na. Kadaghan na eh. Ensaymada, guys. Ensaymada.
Yeah,
Cheese. You want this one, Jacob? Thank you.
You can pick.
Okay. Grabe, nag-shopping man mo pan, uy. Cake egg tart, oh.
Okay.
Basta, end of the day na they have 20% discount. Yummy kayo lang ga, oh, look. Look. Ilang mga cake. Yummy kayo tanan ng cake. Grabe, oh, durian cake. 20%. So, guys, ito na yung nabili natin doon sa St. Germain. Kahapon pa sila nag-crave ng ganito, oh, ensaymada. Tapos si Daddy hindi na siya nakabili kasi ano na, closed na yung Richmond Center. So, ganito, 4 ata yung binili niya. 4 ba yun? Yeah, 4. And ano, this is Jacob, yung cheese, isang ganito. Tapos ito, this is really good. I really love this one, guys. Parang akin to, si Daddy kumuha nito. And ito yung ang tawag nito. Basta, si Jaden may gusto nito. Bumili ako last time, pero hindi ko nakain kasi si Jaden yung kumain nito. And parang 3 ata na ganito, and then isang pork bun kay Jaden. Ito pa, mango kay Daddy ito. Yummers. Jacob, your KFC here diha. O, diba? May baon na naman tayo. What about diha? There's more rice here if you guys want. Rice is life talaga tayo dito, guys. Ayan. Rice is life, Jake. I'm happy you're feeling better now. We're going to church tomorrow. Okay. Na-miss niya na pumunta ng church kasi whole week talaga wala. Kahit last Sunday hindi kami pumunta, and then yung weekend, Wednesday na night church nila sa City Students, hindi rin kami nakapunta. Ito pala yung sa akin, guys, cauliflower rice, chicken cauliflower rice. Kain tayo? Wow, yummy lagi na imo ha, Daddy. Bento for Daddy, guys. That looks so good. Miana eh. Tapos na pala kami kumain, guys. Nandito tayo sa Zara. I just want to try this mga sanina. Tingnan natin. So ito na yun. Very relaxing lang yung feed niya. Nice. Kita mas klaro siya. Size ano to siya? Size small. Sobrang haba nga lang. Ano siya? I like the fit. Ito yung isa, guys, na ang tawag dyan? Yung sleeveless. Etong pants na to, same sa 3.9 natin. Ito. Same sila pero ibang kulay lang siya. Ganda din to siya, oh. Pang tag-init. Hindi ngayon kasi sobrang lamig. Walang packet. Pero sobrang ganda talaga yung niya, cloth niya. Grabe, ang haba eh. Ito yung isa, guys, na same yung una na sinuot natin pero ibang kulay. Gray. Ayan. Maganda yung kulay nito. Very cozy. Nice kaayo. Sobrang haba lang talaga ng pants nila. Kung malamig lang, lagyan mo lang itong ng vest. Ganda siya. Ayan. Dito na yung naghihintay sa akin. I'm done. Wala akong nabili, guys. Lang. Tingin-tingin lang.
Okay, ganahan.
Wala. Hindi na to ang katong pants, pero I don't think I need it.
Oh.
Nilagyan ko ng perfume. Who smells like that, Jay? It's ako. Guys, dito kami sa Rice Cake Master bumili ng durian mochi. Yan. Masarap pala yung durian. Our home na kakarating lang namin and it's already 8 p.m. Before kami umuwi, pumunta kami sa sa Rice Cake Master, bumili ng durian mochi. I heard a lot of good reviews na masarap daw to. We will see. I don't eat durian, pero nung one time pinatry ako ni Daddy ng durian, yung talagang fruit. It's really good. Nagustuhan ko. Medyo yung amoy lang niya very strong, but the fruit itself is very creamy. So I want to try the mochi again. We got cocoa and mine is 3 guys with 30% less sugar. Daddy got the milk tea lang with pudding. The kids got choco caramel with pearls. I'm just happy na nakagala kami as a family. And si Angel wala kasi work siya and
grabe maghingi ng pagkain.
Yeah, dati for the whole week wala talaga, hindi talaga siya kumakain.
From one pagkain to another.
Yeah, at least ngayon bumabawi na siya ng kain.
Appetite niya.
Yes. Ito na yung durian mochi. Let's try from Rice Cake Master. The smell of durian. Ganito siya, guys. So good. It's so yummy, guys. Ang ano niya, yung mochi, very soft. Nakita niyo.